Getting the internet unstable warning on Zoom? Yeah, it can make your video freeze, audio cut out, or even drop you from the meeting. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Zoom internet unstable errors in 2026. First, run a speed test to make sure your connection is stable. Zoom recommends at least 1.5 megabits per second for both upload and download for standard video. If possible, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Wired connections are much more stable and reduce video and audio lag. Close any apps or browser tabs that use a lot of internet, like streaming, downloads, or cloud backups. This frees up bandwidth for Zoom. Sometimes your network just needs a refresh. Restart your router or modem by turning it off for a few seconds and then turning it back on. Outdated Zoom versions can cause connection problems. Check for updates and install the latest version. It often fixes instability issues. Lowering your video quality can help if your internet is slow. Turn off HD video in Zoom settings or hide non-video participants to reduce bandwidth usage. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may cause unstable connections. Try disconnecting it temporarily and reconnect to Zoom. If problems persist, try joining Zoom from a different device or network. This helps identify if the issue is with your device, your network, or Zoom itself, and that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Zoom internet unstable errors. Try them in order, and your meetings should run smoothly without freezing or cutting out.